Hello everyone. Now I am going to show how to sign up and log in Alpha ICAT website. First of all, we need to enter the link shown upside. That link will take to a direct to a website page, which is our home page. In this page we can see sign in and sign up options. There are two options, that is sign in and sign up. The sign in option is for the old user, sign up is for new one. The people who are starting it newly must use sign up. After entering into the sign up, you will see a register panel. Here you need to register your name, password, ID, everything. First you need to enter the reference ID, which is most important. Without that you cannot enter in this, you cannot sign up in this website. Now I am going to enter a sign up reference ID, and that is 202101118. Automatically it will show the reference name and the ID is valid or not. Okay, after that you need to put your enter your password, which is easy for you. You must remember the password, you should not forget, because the password will only you need when you need to enter into your sign in page. Then you need to remember your password. Only if you enter your password you can enter into the sign in page, login page. After entering the password, you need to enter your name. I enter some, and you need to enter your mobile number. After that there will be a options. You choose your state. Automatically there will appear cities of your state. You can select your city. Already there is showing the valid phone, because the phone number is valid and none of the users have used that phone number. So you need to enter the captcha code. That is, be careful while entering the captcha code, whether it is caps or small. Mostly it will be small, but you need to careful. After entering the correct captcha, it will show valid captcha. If your phone number is valid, then it will show valid phone. You should read and agree the privacy policy. After agreeing, you should register. It will lead to another page, which is known as membership information. Here you should enter your choose your membership. That is 200 for prime member and 1000 for prime number. You need to select your option. According to your option, you should pay your amount to the reference number. Your reference, the man who referenced you, you should send him the money. After that you should select the membership and send money to the introducer, and you should take a screenshot of the transaction. After that you should enter the screenshot of the transaction by entering in this. To use this you should have already taken a screenshot, then only you can do that. I have chosen an image, and if I submit that, these informations will go to the website, and also the membership information will go to this introducer name. Okay, this is the sign up procedure for new users. That's enough. We have signed up. After signing up, you not need to re-enter into sign up. Sign in is enough for you. We have, if we go to sign in, a page will open, login page will open, and you need to enter your phone number. After that, you need to enter your password. After entering your login pins and username, you will see this page. Kindly contact sponsor to get pin. Yes, you need to contact your sponsor or referrer to enter into this website. After approval of the sponsor, you can get into this website and you can refer members. Okay, thank you.